Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. This wheat vegetable upma is my go-to dinner when I want to make something tasty yet healthy. Healthy dinner in 10 minutes. This wheat-Rava upma keeps your stomach super light and tasty too. We need simple ingredients. 1 cup of this broken wheat or wheat rava, 1 carrot I have chopped, 1 onion and some green peas, also a little bit of lemon juice, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves and salt. These are the basic ingredients. So first in a heavy kadai, dry roast 1 cup of this wheat rava over a medium flame till you get a good aroma. See, it has roasted well, slightly changed color. I am getting a good aroma too. So be careful, don't increase the flame, otherwise it will get burnt. Now we will switch it off and transfer it to a plate. Put the kadai back on heat, add a tablespoon of oil, add mustard seeds, urad dal, Channa dal. Next, add in the green chilies and ginger, add curry leaves, onion, carrot and peas. Now saute the vegetables well together. Add the required quantity of salt. When the vegetables are about 50% done, add water. I have taken 1 cup of this broken wheat, so I am adding 2.5 cups of water. Now allow it to come to a boil. The water has started boiling now. Now add in this roasted rava to it. Give it a good mix. Reduce the flame, cover it and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes till it is done. It's about 5 minutes now. Let's check our upma. See, it has absorbed all the water. Switch it off and keep it covered for just 2 minutes till it becomes fluffy. See, our upma has become nice and fluffy, perfect wheat vegetable upma. Finally, squeeze the juice of half a lemon for added taste. Give it a good mix and your healthy wheat vegetable upma is ready to be served. Steaming hot upma. Today I am adding some coconut chutney along with it. wheatRava is known by different names: broken wheat, cream of wheat, or dalia, godhumai. You can even use bansi rava if you have. But it's a lovely, tasty, healthy dinner ready in 10 minutes and good for weight management too, since we don't use much oil also. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.